Hey, what's up, Facebook? Hello to everyone out there. Jason Brown coming at you here with a quick live. Been a very productive Wednesday thus far. If you are hopping on here live with me, let me know you're here. If you're catching this on the replay, hit me with that hashtag replay so I know you're here. Maybe even let me know where you're from. That would be awesome. It is Webinar Wednesday, so I want to hop on here, as I mentioned, and share my excitement, share what's happening, and hopefully get you interested and wanting to get involved in what we've got going on. I mentioned previously $50,000 in commissions last week. This week's totals aren't in yet, but we're pushing that number as well. And that's just over 500 members. Still a relatively new company or platform, just over 2 months old. And lots and lots of great things happening. You've seen the proof on my posts. You've seen the proof on the webinars if you joined us. If you've not hopped in yet, now is the time. We've gained traction. We're past our 2-month mark. We're well into our 3rd month, and great things are happening. It's super exciting, and I don't say that just to say it. The reality of the consistent payments, the reality of the consistent online presence that so many of us have found. I mean, the structure of the team, the setup of the platform is set up for newbies to experience veteran online folks who've had major success in other programs. So something for everybody, but certainly the live training is outstanding. The engagement, the ability to reach people and all across the world, obviously, like we all try and work to do. I've found a new way with this platform to be able to increase my online presence, as I've shared before, and it's outstanding. It's exciting, and I want to share it with as many of you that will accept it and are willing to take a look. So I will place the information for the webinar down below here in the chat right after this. No commitment, nothing. You're not signing your life away. Just click a link and join the webinar. It is tonight, which is Wednesday, in case you're seeing this at a different time, but Wednesday. In fact, we do this every Wednesday, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific, and I'd love to have you as my guest on the webinar this evening. So click the link in the comments after I post it, or certainly feel free to reach out, message me, let me know that you're interested, let me know any questions that you have. Maybe you've attended before and you have some questions, definitely reach out. I'm an open book, and so this program is something that I want to share with as many people as will listen. And if you've been hesitant for whatever reason, I'm not really sure what that would be, but let's talk about it. Let's get you off that ledge. Let's have you jump in, because it's a great time to get involved, and you hear those things and see those things, but this is really something that we've now gained traction, as I mentioned, and things are really rolling for hundreds and hundreds of people within our program, and the income is increasing gradually. Not saying that it's life changing as of yet, but that's what's coming, and that's what's so exciting. So hey, Mary, appreciate you hopping on. And so again, the webinar's tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 Central. I'll drop that link for it down below, but certainly message me if you have any questions, and I'll look forward to seeing you there this evening on the webinar. All right, thanks for stopping by. As always, appreciate you, and look forward to welcoming you on board. All right, thanks. I'm Jason Brown. I'm out. Peace.